Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Let's give this outdated mirror a little sophistication. The nice thing is that this DIY project will be renter friendly and budget friendly. Have you ever just wanted to update your mirror without taking it down and buying a new one? If you've been following the channel, you know we're in the middle of a small bathroom makeover, and this was one of our inspiration picks. We also got inspiration for this project from some of the mirrors we're seeing in stores and online. This project is something we definitely can save money with doing it ourselves. So let me show you what we did. We measured each side of the mirror, and these are the supplies we used. Next is the fun part where you can get creative. The goal was to find something that looked close to our inspiration photo. In other mirror DIYs, we have used tile and wall trim. I'll leave those links in the description, but this time we were looking for a new framing material. It had to be thick enough to cover our mounting tape, but still thin enough to give us a little sleek look. Hubby showed me this chair rail and it was perfect. It had the rope design on the front and flat on the back. To achieve the look, we spray painted the chair rail with a primer and a metallic gold paint. Since this was a bathroom update on a budget, we decided to spray paint all the fixtures, and this time around, we remembered to paint both sides of the frame. Once everything dried, we cut all 4 pieces with our favorite DIY tool, our miter box. Now this part is what we learned from mirror experience. The frame will not fit flush against the mirror unless you notch out some space for the mirror clips. And this is really only because we weren't going to move the mirror at all. We had to do this for the top and the bottom. I needed hubby to help with the top one because he's so tall. Then we used a Dremel tool to cut and sand out little notches so that we could fit these frames right over the clips. And now it's time for a very important part, which is cleaning the mirror. We need to have a super clean and oil-free surface so that our mounting tape can stick. We used alcohol around the edges to remove any filmy material left by the cleaner. We realized we had some paint overspray from doing our countertop, so we had to use some paint thinner and carefully scrape off the paint chips. We went through the cleaning step one more time after this. This is why this DIY project can be renter friendly. So we've used this mounting tape before, and it does a great job of holding a simple mirror frame like this. We covered the entire mirror with the tape, only leaving space for the mirror clips. We took a piece of our mirror frame to double check that it covered the tape. Once the mounting tape is in place, you want to let it set before you put something on it. Now it's time to do one of our favorite things in a DIY project, and that is to peel and stick. We peeled the top layer off of the mounting tape and we stuck on each piece of our frame. This is a little reminder to paint the back side of your mirror frame so that the reflection will have the same color as the front of the frame. Our miter box was a great tool to cut 45-degree angles so that each side of our frames fit perfectly. This is definitely my favorite mirror frame thus far. And hubby always comes through to secure the top piece. When all the frame pieces were where we wanted, we pushed them into the frame and let them set. Is it just me, but that wood chair rail looks like a sophisticated gold frame? Our journey from outdated to updated was so much fun. And guys, look at the results. I hope this DIY sparked ideas for your next bathroom refresh. Be sure to subscribe to the channel for more how-to videos.
So make sure you watch the whole entire series to see the transformation.
And remember,
you can DIY too.